Kenya is collaborating with Italy to revitalize the leather and tanning industry. A partnership between leather experts from Italy and the Animal Health and Training Institute in Kabete is aimed at knowledge and technology transfer towards improving the tanning process and leather goods manufacturing.
Leather experts from Italy, in collaboration with the Animal Health and Training Institute at Kabete, have come together in an initiative that will help add value in the leather industry.
The basic machines and the basic instruments are here. They should need a little bit more support in improving some points of the production line. We agreed to give some skills, some tricks to improve and work better in the future.
Among others, the initiative will see animal skin valued over 5 million shillings that would otherwise go to waste yearly being put into good use.
The project is supposed to support the development of the leather sector in terms of production and also the products.
Speaking during the visit by Italian leather experts at the Institute, Dr. Samuel Mugo, the principal of Haiti, said the collaboration is aimed at transferring knowledge and building a technology focusing on improving a tanning process and leather goods manufacturing.
The government is supporting this project for us to be able to accord more youths opportunities to train, to be able to employ themselves, and also to be employed in the leather sector industry that is really expanding.
He further noted that the Institute is a focal point for hands-on skills based on leather technology and footwear.